Welcome back, guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you about one trick of WhatsApp. And that is not a trick, but it is a beautification of the sending experience. Means if you want to send some message, how you can just improve that process. Just I will show you. Before I will show you. Just we will go to the WhatsApp, and then in WhatsApp, see, if you want to send a message like this, if you want to send an emoji like this, message like this, hi, how are you, this is written here, hi, how are you, this type of emojis, if you want to say this type of, how it is possible, how is it possible? Yes, it is very much possible, because it is, you are seeing that. And now I will tell you how it is possible. Don't skip the video, please. And before proceeding the further, I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel, so not wasting much of your time. Just go to the Play Store, and one application, please note down, that is Bobble Indic Keyboard. It is coming, Indic Keyboard. Just note it down, guys, Bobble Indic Keyboard. So just install it. Now it is installing. It has been installed, and now open is coming. Just open it. It will ask for some it will tell allow something. Just go enable pop, then just enable this. Okay, enable this. Okay, enable Bubble Keyboard English, yes. Now it is high. I have typed and I have, now it is okay. Accept and continue. Only this time allow. So now we will go to the WhatsApp. So just coming to the WhatsApp, just here, and now if you want, that will come here only. Suppose you want to write something, just say hi, how are you. Suppose it has been typed. Now just push here, and now you will see how many ways you can send that. Send in which you are liking it, depending upon your choice. Just go and hi, how are you. Or you can also change this font also. Cuddle, typewriter, bold, handwriting, love squares, baby bubbles. Suppose in love squares you are telling that I am telling like that only. You can send the message like that, or any and if you do not want to change, suppose you are here, this type of it, hi, and this type of font will come. So this one thing also I want to tell you about emoji. Suppose you want to send this any type of emoji, just select that. Suppose you want to send this. Now just double click this has come, just tap it there, and now you can send any type of this type of. Or one method also, just go and press this and send. If you want, press this and send, press this and send, press this and send. So these are various type of method by which you can improve your sending experience. So this has happened, and now I will tell you. Suppose many times it is Many times, suppose you are writing something and send button is here. You are writing and send button is here, but you are not able to go there because you are writing here, and you want that if I not press in this send button, what will I do? Can anything is here in this keyboard where I can press and the message can be sent? So for that purpose, what you need to do, just go to the setting and then go to the chats, and here enter is send. In that, if you enter also then here you can send button is there. This is inherently available with this keyboard. This inherently available with this WhatsApp. So this is two things I have told in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please share it on social media platforms so that other people may also get benefited. Thank you very much, guys.